Hey, this is Naturally TC coming at you with this lock, color, and retwist. So I'm going to color her hair and then I'm going to retwist it. The client's hair has never been colored. Actually, when she was just regular natural, I used to do her natural hair as well. We did do like a couple of demi-permanent blacks in her hair, but since she's been locked, she hasn't had any color done to her hair. So she wanted to do something new, something fresh, to just make her look, put a little pizzazz on these locks or whatnot. Now, what I'm doing is the bottom half, I actually did a shade darker than I did the top half. We were going for a deep red, and I bleached the tips as well. So you see me going in with the color, and with locks you have to make sure it's like really saturated. I really don't try to make the color just go throughout the entire lock, because if you just color the outside is enough, because the rinsing and the shampooing process is intense. So you want to make sure when you do your shampoo and neutralize this color that you get all of it out, and that really, really, really takes some time. So I've seen people like completely soak the locks with color, but I mean, it's hair. So you got to think about it. And then there's hair on the inside of a lock. So if you just get that outer layer colored, that's all you're going to see anyway. So, but to each his own. I'm sure people will be in the comments with whatever they have to say about that. But it came out gorgeous, and I loved it. She loved it. And the only thing is with her hair, she is probably not really too gray, maybe like 30%. Yeah, I'll say about 30% gray. So, as that new hair grows in, it's not just going to be black, because that looks really nice. You know how people have their natural hair color and then against the color that they colored their hair. So it's not really a problem if you wait and you have black roots and then you have your colored, whatever color you decided to get. But with her hair, she's like 30% gray, but we can always just go in with a few demi-permanent colors once her hair starts to grow out, which will be less compromising to the hair. So that's what I would do once her hair starts to grow in, if she feels uncomfortable about her gray showing. But 30% is not a lot, but that just depends on the client's preference. If gray really, really bothers them, then we'll have to color it, right away. I would say, especially with this color, probably, between 2 and 4 weeks, she can get a demi-permanent color put over it and it'll be just fine. Or she could just ride it out and be okay with her roots until it gets to a length where, it may feel uncomfortable to her, but it's totally the client's preference. So now I'm going in and I'm doing my retwist. I still just use the aloe plant to do my retwist, and it works so well. Somebody asked me, did I come out with my product yet? I am currently working on a buttercream that is more for, natural hair, almost like a hair balm, or what I use it now on my little girls when I do my little girl styles, when they're just getting braided or ponytails or something like that. The buttercream is so good and so rich, so that I'm working on. This, as far as the aloe, it's mentally in my head. I'm working on it, guys. 2020 is coming out. Just give me a little time, because it's not an easy process. Like, you have to try this stuff out before you put it on the market. I don't want to want to do nothing to anybody and then be responsible for it because it's not my thing. So anyway, yeah, so I'm just using just plain aloe plant, you know, and I am retwisting my client's hair. I'm using the palm roll method, and her hair texture is about a 3, I would say like a 3C. And her, you see how thick her hair is. Like, she has so many locks, and but it does so well as far as holding. Once I use the aloe on it, when she comes back, like when she came back this time, you could still see the coil in her hair is just like perfect. So that's why I love using the aloe. I don't know. Like I said, to each his own. Somebody told me it doesn't give them enough hold, but I haven't had, when I say any of my locks, I have had no issue with the aloe. So you're going to see me go through and finish her hair. Guys, follow me on Instagram, also on Facebook. I'm still Naturally TC there. Follow me. I had one follower that followed me on Instagram and was nice enough to inbox me and let me know that she was following me from YouTube, and I thought that was so cool. So here's the finished product. She really doesn't like me to style her hair, which is so funny because I love styling her hair because her locks are beautiful, but she doesn't really like her hairstyle. So I just get away with like these little pin backs for her, but it always comes out so beautiful. So here's my finished product. She loved it. This was something new for her, especially a color. That's why I went with the deep red, because when clients don't really wear color, you don't want to do something to them that's going to be a total shocker. But yeah, this was good. So you guys have a great and incredible, I don't know if it's day for you or evening, but yeah, do that. And yeah, I'll be back with another video soon. Love you all. Thank you for following. Thank you for supporting. I really, really appreciate it.